and today we are reviewing Glow Recipes Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask. Now, this is the avocado melt. You know, I like the bottle. It looks like an avocado. Now, if avocado was sold in a bottle, it would probably look like this. Now, we all know that avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and niacinamide, which has a lot of anti-aging properties to fight fine lines and wrinkles. This sleeping mask is amazing for the eyes, so you don't look like you carry Costco bags under your eyes. One of the good things about this helps with dark circles depending on your skin. It will either reduce them or make them non-visible, giving you that firmer skin you've been looking for under your eyes. It also works well with dry skin, but it pretty much works well with any type of skin, even mine, which is sensitive skin. The good thing about this is just a little dab will do you, like a pea size, under your eye every night. It gives you more bang for your buck. You also want to use this first. Don't layer it on top of anything because it goes right to work. You know, the cans is a bit pricey, but again, it's a good investment because it lasts a long time. So I feel that I got a return on my investment. This is my second bottle. My other bottle did last me a long time. So I think you will like it as well.